Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick and efficient ice production. But which one truly stands out? In this video, we will delve into their features, specifications, and performance to determine which ice maker is the better choice for your home or outdoor needs. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Silonn Ice Maker is priced at $109, while the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is significantly more affordable at just $59. This price difference makes the Sweetcrispy a more attractive option for budget-conscious buyers looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. Both ice makers produce ice quickly, with the Silonn generating 26 pounds of ice per day and the Sweetcrispy slightly edging ahead at 26.5 pounds per day. Both machines can create 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, making them efficient choices for those who need ice on demand. However, the Sweetcrispy's marginally higher production rate could be a deciding factor for some users. Both models feature a self-cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. The Silonn offers a compact design, while the Sweetcrispy provides the added benefit of producing 2 sizes of bullet ice. This versatility can be particularly useful for those who enjoy different types of beverages, making the Sweetcrispy a more versatile option overall. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Sweetcrispy ice makers have their strengths. The Silonn is a solid choice for those who prioritize compactness and ease of use, while the Sweetcrispy offers better value for money with its dual ice sizes and lower price point. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.